Looking for the best underwater boat lights? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 underwater boat lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Green Blob Outdoors, Pimp My Pontoon Blue LED Boat Deck Lighting Kit. IP68 rated, waterproof, and submersible. Very bright lights. 2 lights in 5-meter rolls come in each kit. Bright LEDs, with 300 to a strip, 30 centimeters each. Red and green LED strips. 60 feet of power wire. Waterproof switch, installation channel, and hardware. A very bright and fun LED boat lighting kit, but be sure to check that you can legally install them on your boat. Reports of some LED lights not working. May not be legal for some boats in some jurisdictions. At number 2. Partsam, Underwater LED RV Boat Light. 4 pieces in 6-inch strips, with each strip containing 12 LEDs. Epoxy sealed to resist water, corrosion, and vibration. Surface mount design at a good price. Low 12-volt current draw. Long lasting. Has a nice look when installed. This affordable option is energy efficient and surface mounted, although care should be taken with the thin wiring during installation. The wiring is very thin and breaks easily. Some feel these lights could be brighter. At number 1. Lumitec, Seablaze 3 LED Underwater Boat Light. Available in several colors, including blue and green. Very bright, with good water penetration. Good quality construction from marine-grade anodized aluminium. Offers 1720 lumens. Durable. Does not need an external controller. A durable and well-made boat light that offers good water penetration. On the expensive side. Some reports that this product arrived defective or only lasted a short period of time. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.